Wood has historically been the choice material for crafting furniture. The Industrial Revolution changed things for wooden furniture though. Alternative materials, cheaper to mass-produce than wood, like steel, plastic and aluminum, were introduced to the market. However, through the years, even as its production declined, wooden furniture has only grown in prominence. There was something timeless about furniture made from wood, an aesthetic that has retained its relevance from the age of pharaohs through present day. As opposed to many cheaper materials people use nowadays to make furniture, wood lasts years with very little maintenance. Exactly how durable these pieces can be will depend on the type of wood you choose to use. True hardwoods like walnut, white oak and cherry retain their rich appearance indefinitely. Well-made wooden furniture crafted from hardwoods can last generations despite heavy use. Softwoods like pine and cedar are more common. Because softwood trees take less time to grow than hardwoods, they tend to be cheaper. While not as durable as hardwoods, wooden furniture made from softwood tend to grow in character over time. Scratches and markings made in the furniture give the wood a rustic, shabby chic feel. The lighter color of softwood also tends to only get darker and deeper as it is exposed to light over time. This more rich look extended the longevity of softwood pieces, making newer pieces an investment worth waiting for. No matter what type you choose, wood remains far and away the most durable material out there. This kind of durability makes sure that the wooden furniture retains the value of your purchase. If you ever want to sell a piece down the road, the market for wood furniture has only broadened as the years have gone on. As long as the piece is well maintained, its value can only grow in the years to come. Wood wears age like few other materials out there. Not only is wooden furniture extremely durable, it's also easy to maintain. Cleaning wood is usually as simple as regularly dusting. Spills and other sticky messes can be cleaned with a wet microfiber cloth. It is as simple as that. If you treat your wood well, you will never have to worry about maintenance past the occasional dusting. With other material, namely iron furniture, you will always have to worry about eventual rust if you are not constantly vigilant. Each piece of wood is slightly different. Even if wooden furniture is made the same way, with the same type of material, there will be subtle differences. You will notice the differences in beautifully grained wood like quarter-sawn white oak or live-edge walnut. The slight variations in the thickness and direction of each grain really pop when seen together. Further, a craftsman has much more freedom when working with wood than any other material. While a machine can only do so much with plastic or metal, an artisan is presented infinite possibilities with solid wood. Thanks for watching, until next time.